Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, unfortunately we do have some very sad news coming out of Alaska. This past Monday evening, August the 8th, there was a report of a crew member that went overboard off of Holland America's Koningsdam. So the Koningsdam departed Juneau, Alaska approximately around 10 p.m. The crew member was reported overboard around 10:45. Now, Holland America reported that according to the video footage, it appeared that the crew member intentionally went over the side of the ship. The U.S. Coast Guard conducted search and rescue operations. The Koningsdam and the Eurodam, which was also in the area, assisted with the search and rescue operations before being released Tuesday to resume their sailings. At this point in time, they have not located the crew member. But the waters around Alaska right now are about 55 degrees. So unfortunately, the chances of finding this particular crew member are pretty slim. And it's always sad when we hear about anybody that intentionally goes over the side of a cruise ship, whether it be a crew member, a crew passenger, just anybody. So our condolences go out to family, loved one, and friends of the crew member. And if we get any more information on this story, we of course will let you guys know. So now we're going to jump over to Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, and they have released some of their health and safety protocols for upcoming cruises in Australia. So these are going to be the health and safety protocols for Australia cruises. So nothing here in the United States or Europe, just over in Australia. And all these are subject to change as the situation continues to evolve over in Australia. Things are changing, daily, weekly, just like they were doing here in the United States. When we resume cruising, things are changing all of the time. But this is what Royal Caribbean currently has as their health and safety protocols. 95% of all the passengers on board will need to be fully vaccinated. So 12 and above have a vaccination requirement. Now, unvaccinated are going to be permitted on board the ship. So ages 11 and younger and 12 and older with a medical exemption will be allowed to cruise on board the ship. But there are a very limited number of spots. I said only 5% can be unvaccinated. So of course you will have to submit for a medical exemption if you are over the age of 12. And then submit your request to Royal Caribbean to see if you receive the exemption to sail. There will be a pre-cruise COVID-19 test prior to boarding for all passengers. And at this time, they're saying that masks will have to be worn inside the cruise terminal and possibly at some destinations that require it. But like I said, these are subject to change based on the flowing situation down there in Australia. And these are a lot of the same health and safety protocols we saw back at the beginning of our restart of cruising. Australia is still just in the beginning phases of the restart. And I'm sure as they go along, their health and safety protocols are going to change just like ours did. And as you guys know, ours are still continuing to change week after week. All right, and that's going to be our cruise news video for today. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and we'll let you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone out there has a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.